Hi friends, welcome to the infoxist. In this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how to boost your Instagram reels. So without wasting the time, first of all open your Instagram account. After that, tap on profile icon here and scroll up and find your reel that you want to boost. For example, I'm just going to boost this reel. Just tap on boost here. After that, select a category here, visit to your profile, visit your website or message you. I'm going with the recommended one. Tap on next, and from here you also got three options: special requirements. If you tap on that, so you have many categories like credit, employment, housing, and it's just a topics for which or the purpose of your boosting reels on Instagram. I don't need this. I'm just going with that suggested audience. It's mean target this ad to people similar to your followers. So the growth of your Instagram reels will be better with this option. Tap on next. Here I'm just going to manage my budget on daily basis. So I'm just going with the lowest one, 559. So this is the duration for how long I can boost my reels. I'm just going to select with 2. Tap on next. Everything looks good, so I'm just running out of my funds. Just tap on add funds, select payout and boost. So here comes in, I have to make purchase this. So after that my Instagram reel will be boosted within 2 days. So this is the pretty simple. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.